Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best carry-on luggage in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below.
Number 10. Travel Pro Max Lite 5 Expandable Spinner. Big on practicality and low on cost, the Travel Pro Max Lite 5 offers the best value of any soft side bag out there. It's the brand's lightest 4-wheel spinner suitcase at 5 pounds, maximizing on maneuverability for when you're sprinting to catch your flight. The cavernous expandable interior includes tons of weird little zippered sections and mesh pockets for you to cordon off your toiletries, small items, dirty clothes, and shoes from your clothes without busting out the packing cubes. And after you've racked up plenty of miles on those wheels, the Platinum Elite comes with a limited lifetime warranty for repairs and replacements. Number 9. Samsonite Winfield 2 Hardside Luggage with Spinner Wheels. We love the Samsonite Winfield 2 28-inch spinner for its no-nonsense functionality, fashion-forward aesthetic, and mid-range price. The polycarbonate shell is lightweight yet durable, and we were particularly impressed by the way dented corners pop easily back into shape during our testing process. The brushstroke coloration should hide potential scuffs and scratches, while color choices range from Nordic blue to brushed anthracite for a smart look that never goes out of style. We found the suitcase roomy and liked how it maintained its size and shape even when stuffed to capacity. The compression feature was another bonus, keeping clothes neatly in place, as was the full-zip interior divider, which allowed us to keep clean and dirty items. If you need extra space, there's a handy expansion feature. Finally, we found that the multi-directional wheels allowed for smooth maneuverability over a range of terrains. We could easily pull the suitcase behind us or push it in front. Number 8. Samsonite Freeform Hardside Expandable with Double Spinner Wheels Carry-On. An instant favorite with our testing team, the Samsonite Freeform Carry-On is made of injection-molded polypropylene for a hardside case that's exceptionally lightweight, durable, and impact-resistant. It stood up well to our baseball bat test, with barely any scuffs, so much so that we feel confident if we had to check it in. We loved its minimal, ultra-modern aesthetic, and found that it had sufficient space for everything on our packing list, even without employing the expansion feature. Potential purchasers should be aware that although the expansion feature is a definite bonus, overstuffing the suitcase could make it exceed some airline carry-on restrictions. We felt the interior organization options were good, with a cross-ribbon divider and several pockets. The only downside was that there was only one zippered pocket, meaning you'd have to choose whether to separate shoes or dirty laundry. The suitcase has 4 360-degree double spinner wheels for flawless maneuverability, and we found that it had the best glide of any bag we tested. It was easier to operate on 2 wheels over bumps, but transitioning between 2- and 4-wheeled use was a breeze. The suitcase also features a multi-stage handle with a wider grip for added comfort, a recessed TSA-approved combination lock, and a built-in ID tag. Colors range from classic black to silver or sky blue. Finally, your purchase includes a limited 10-year global warranty. Number 7. XD 4-Wheel Carry-On Luggage. For travelers looking for a more rugged option that doesn't compromise on style, this is one good-looking suitcase. The logo is discreet, the colors are subdued, albeit quite limited if you gravitate toward a more cheerful palette, and the diamond-shaped shoulders of the bag make it stand out from the crowd. More importantly, this bag is built to withstand a lot of use. The Tarmac XC is made with weather-resistant recycled fabric that proved to be durable in our tests. Our sample sat in a Minnesota snowbank for 48 hours, enduring relentless frost and freezing rain, and lived up to its promises. Moisture brushed away with ease and the lining stayed dry. Spilled wine beaded up immediately on the dark green lining, leaving no trace, and the shampoo stain was barely there after 2 days. The bag's multi-directional spinner wheels performed well in snow and ice, and were noticeably quieter than those of other samples we tested when rolling on a sidewalk, asphalt, tile, and hardwood flooring. It survived 3 plummets down steps of varying heights with no fabric tears, although the bag's reinforced corners and wheel casings incurred some minor scuffing. Number 6. Tumi Continental Dual-Accessed 4-Wheeled Carry-On. Retailing at nearly $1,000, the Tumi Continental Dual-Access 4-Wheeled Carry-On is undoubtedly a splurge, and one our tester found difficult to justify despite its excellent performance. However, if you're looking for a suitcase that's as much a status symbol as a luggage item, this is it. It features TUMI's proprietary FXT ballistic nylon, with a unique weave and special, extra durable coating. The benefit was clear after our durability tests, of which the bag showed no evidence of damage. It opens two ways, clamshell style and via a front lid, both with quality security zippers. With 3 exterior pockets, multiple interior pockets and dividers, including a removable garment sleeve, it's the organized packer's dream. We love that we could fit everything without using the expansion feature and that it slid easily into the overhead compartment. 4 dual spinner wheels and a premium telescoping handle guarantee a smooth roll over all surfaces, while extras range from a USB port to optional monogramming. Number 5. Travel Pro Luggage Platinum Elite 21-inch expandable carry-on spinner suiter. If you're looking for a soft-side carry-on, the Travel Pro Platinum Elite is an excellent pick, featuring high-density nylon with a DuraGuard coating that resists stains and abrasions. This showed up during our durability tests, in which the suitcase survived completely unscathed. With its genuine leather accents and chrome zippers, we feel this is a quality investment likely to last long enough to justify its high price tag. As a bonus, it includes a built-in USB charge port with an external power bank pocket that adheres to FAA regulations. We did have to use the tip-resistant expansion feature to make space for everything on our packing list, which made the bag significantly larger. However, we really appreciated the thoughtful interior organization features, including 2 separate compartments, a deluxe tie-down system, and integrated accessory pockets. There's even a removable quart-sized wet bag for your toiletries and a fold-out suiter. Other highlights include Travel Pro's renowned Precision Glide system and a choice of elegant colors from Bordeaux to rich espresso.
Number 4. Samsonite Omni PC Hardside Expandable Carry-On. The Samsonite Omni PC carry-on may retail for roughly double the price of our budget pick, but it's still considerably cheaper than many of the suitcases on this list and combines durability, capacity, and lightness to provide impressive value for money. It features a 100% polycarbonate shell with micro-diamond texturing for extreme scratch resistance. Even after our rigorous testing, it showed no visible scratches. And it's protected by Samsonite's generous 10-year global warranty. We found we could fit everything in without using the suitcase's expansion feature. However, it was still a tight fit in the overhead compartment, so it's a good idea to check the exact requirements of your favorite airline before purchasing. We like the interior organization features, namely, a zippered divider and compression straps. The only drawback was the undersized spinner wheels, which caught easily on ruts, but performed well on carpet and sharp turns. The handle has 2 height settings, and the integrated lock is TSA compliant. Number 3. Amazon Basics 21-inch Hardside Spinner. The Amazon Basics 21-inch spinner retails for well under $100, making it the most affordable option on this list. Despite its modest price tag, it surpassed our expectations on every test, making it an exceptional value for money. It features a thick ABS plastic shell with a scratch-resistant, textured finish. We love the simple sleekness of its design, with 4 bold colors to choose from, including black, navy blue, light blue, and orange. For double spinner, wheels provide smooth maneuverability in any direction, with the suitcase performing admirably over bumps, through obstacle courses, and over smooth and carpeted surfaces during our testing process. The fully lined interior is expandable by up to 15%, although we didn't have to use this feature to fit everything in. We particularly like the built-in organizer with its 3 separate zippered pockets, while compression straps kept all our belongings in place. Durable zippers and a sturdy handle complete the bag's list of attributes. Number 2. Travel Pro Platinum Elite Carry-On Expandable Hardside Spinner. The Travel Pro Platinum Elite Hardside Carry-On is a relatively expensive option. However, a 100% polycarbonate shell with reinforced aluminum corner guards makes it impressively durable and, therefore, worth the investment. Even after multiple drop tests and bat beatings, we could see no visible signs of damage. The textured finish should help reduce the visibility of scuffs or scratches, keeping your luggage looking brand new for longer. Exterior highlights include an integrated TSA lock and USB-A and C charge ports. This suitcase benefits from Travelpro's famous Precision Glide system, with 8 self-aligning spinner wheels and a PowerScope light handle with 4 height settings. We found it incredibly smooth and easy to navigate, and particularly liked the handle's sturdy feel and textured grip. When it came to packing, we had to use the expansion feature to fit everything in, which made it a tight squeeze getting the bag into an overhead compartment. However, we liked the zippered divider panel and water-resistant toiletries section. Number 1. Samsonite Freeform Hardside Expandable with Double Spinner Wheels Carry-On. An instant favorite with our testing team, the Samsonite Freeform Carry-On is made of injection-molded polypropylene for a hardside case that's exceptionally lightweight, durable, and impact-resistant. It stood up well to our baseball bat test with barely any scuffs, so much so that we'd feel confident if we had to check it in. We loved its minimal, ultra-modern aesthetic and found that it had sufficient space for everything on our packing list, even without employing the expansion feature. Potential purchasers should be aware that although the expansion feature is a definite bonus, overstuffing the suitcase could make it exceed some airline carry-on restrictions. We felt the interior organization options were good, with a cross-ribbon, divider, and several pockets. The only downside was that there was only one zippered pocket, meaning you'd have to choose whether to separate shoes or dirty laundry. The suitcase has 4 360-degree double spinner wheels for flawless maneuverability, and we found that it had the best glide of any bag we tested. It was easier to operate on 2 wheels over bumps, but transitioning between 2 and 4-wheeled use was a breeze. The suitcase also features a multi-stage handle with a wider grip for added comfort, a recessed, TSA-approved combination lock, and a built-in ID tag. Colors range from classic black to silver or sky blue. Finally, your purchase includes a limited 10-year global warranty.